Good afternoon and welcome to Digital Entrepreneurs Hub 53rd Mastermind session. And today's session is basically about many things. And many people are joining us. Many new people are also joining us today. So let's welcome Mr. Umesh Rawal first of all, and then Mr. Praveen Srivastava, Meena, and Mr. Gopal Anand, Mr. Prabhanjam Universe. So I have admitted all. You all are welcome. Hi, Mr. Rawal. How are you? Dr. Rawal, sorry. Hi, Dr. Rawal. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
My
How are
voice
you?
is clear, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is a really interactive session nowadays. Gopalji, please bring your camera in front of your face. Okay. That would be just like Mr. Dr. Rawal. Dr. Rawal, yours is fine. Yours was fine. Okay. So Mr. Nikhil Sharma and Natasha Tongare have also joined, and Mr. Prabhanjam Universe. You can give your introduction if you want.
Okay, now.
Yeah, completely fine. Thank you so much, Mr. Gopal.
Thank you. Thank you.
Let me wait for just around 2 to 3 minutes. Let more participants join the meeting, and then we will start with today is the 53rd mastermind session. And yesterday, Mrs. Poonam Malik has also joined us, and she was into many negative feelings for so many days that will she be able to do it or not, that is she meant for writing or not, because she's an editor. She has got a lot of experience in editing and spoken English, and she's teaching spoken English also. So we are connected with many people from different work cultures and different areas. So this is another Mr. person, a new person is over there, Mr. On Oppo AX5. Please share your name if you want, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah, hi. Thank you so much for joining the session. I think you are Mr. Gopal Anand's friend. Yeah, you can speak out if you want.
Yes.
Okay, I can hear you properly. So
Okay, surprise, namaste.
okay,
It is my friend from Australia.
okay,
Yeah.
very nice to see you all. So first of all, I will just start one screen share with you, and before that, I would like to tell you about few things. Many writers can write articles, stories, non-fiction or fiction. They have a passion for writing and work hard to get out the pieces of writing consistently. However, there is one aspect of writing that writers normally don't pay any attention to. Now, can you guess what this crucial aspect is? Please tell me, what is that crucial aspect which writers don't pay attention and they start writing? They just start writing and they say that I am a perfect writer, I'm a quality writer, but they don't pay attention to those things which are really important. And see, if you will write something, and if you're writing for yourself, then it's completely fine. You can write anything. No one is going to read it. But if you are going to write for the general audience or the online audience, where millions of people will be reading your articles on a daily basis, and your articles will be there for the next 10 to 15 years, then it is actually sometimes a challenge and sometimes a really positive thing to do with yourself to test your writing skills. Okay, so it is always advisable to keep testing your writing skills, because writing is just one thing, but testing your writing skills is another thing. Many writers think that they can write very good articles, but the proof of the pudding is in the eating. Okay, they need to get their writing skills tested to know where they stand. So this session will be going into this discussion, and it will be an interactive session. And there are many online and offline skills testing methods available these days. But I will tell you some pointers that how you can actually first of all test and how to enhance, and I will provide you solutions what to do for what things. Okay, your writing skills are tested based on the following lines. The first one is the use of acceptable writing practices. So let me turn the screen share on now, and I will bring the screen in front of you guys. Just a minute. I hope you were able to see my screen now. Okay. So there are 11 important points for aspiring writers. And this is our 53rd, sorry, second, Andy over here, wrong, my like a mistake. 53rd Digital Readiness Mastermind session. The number one point, as you told you, is using acceptable writing practices. These include the right spelling, grammar, propriety, syntax, right capitalization, and appropriate punctuation. Many times while editing your documents, while editing writers' documents who are writing the articles and those are getting unpublished, I have encountered these type of mistakes. The most like common problem is subject verb disagreement, which writers are not following properly. Okay. Then comes the like the tone of the writing, the way the person is writing it, and it is changing with each paragraph. Sometimes a person is writing in passive voice, then active voice, then something different. Sometimes the person is writing you or yours, and then we and us, all the type of these type of things. So you should have author's tone and consistency throughout the article, and it should be equally spread, just like you spread butter on bread. In the same way, it should be equally spread throughout your article. Okay, this is called consistency. Now, the next like problematic area is right capitalization. People are capitalizing words that are not needed to be capitalized. Suppose the most important thing which I have seen many times is that people are capitalizing words which are the main keywords of the articles which I mentioned in the article title. Suppose you're writing an article on what are the benefits of aloe vera. Okay, then throughout the article the writer has capitalized A of aloe and V of vera. So this is not important. This is completely wrong, because aloe vera is not a brand name. It's not a like a drug or something. It's not a brand. It should not be capitalized. It's not proper noun. So these things should also be learned by the writers, and you should put emphasis on learning these things. And whereas people are actually leaving lowercase things like United States Department of Labor, if this is coming, then people are lowercase saying U and S and D and everything over there. So in the same way, when something is coming of national importance or international importance, then you need to actually capitalize those things, and the writers are doing it vice versa. Okay. Then appropriate punctuation, hyphenation, all these things need to be learned, and you are lucky that I am teaching all these things through my classes. Okay. So let's go to the next point. Number 2, having a hold over written vocabulary. Even if you are a person who doesn't have a very good vocabulary and you don't know how to do it, then you should start reading many books to increase your vocabulary. You should start interacting with people who are using like different type of words which you have not heard before. You should do a practice of finding meanings of 5 different words on a daily basis while searching through Google or on dictionaries. Okay, this will actually improve and improve your vocabulary, written vocabulary. Okay, the next point. Number 3, the clear and logical way to present thoughts in writing. Many people have many types of thoughts in their mind, but they are not able to clearly and logically present them in front of the readers. And this issue will only be sorted when you will actually start writing. If you will not do this thing, and writing is not only one thing, you need to actually show this in front of people, in front of community of writers or something, where writers and editors are collaborating together, and you get quick feedback on whatever you have written. And our community is consisting of, right now we are 105 writers. Okay. The number 4 thing, the use of a natural flow in the writing. In the same way, which I said previously also, that your flow should be consistent throughout the article. The way you put butter on bread and you spread it in equal way, in the same way your content should be syncing completely. It should not lose focus. Okay, there should be consistent flow. Number 5, starting somewhere and not waiting for the perfect moment. Many people I have seen over there who are trying to join us, before that they are always thinking that, sir, we know that your system is very powerful, you have created an ecosystem, and the writers and the community is very positive, everything is happening, but sometimes I have this fear of like coming in front of people with my writing, and I don't, people are just waiting, they're procrastinating, sometimes they're like fearful about their thoughts and everything. So these phobias, you need to kill these phobias, because whenever you have some challenge and whenever whatever thing you're afraid of, you should be doing that thing again and again throughout the day, and then you will overcome that situation, and you can like loud, with completely screaming out of your voice that yes, I have done it, and I am more stronger than my inner voices which are saying that you cannot do it, or the people who are against me who are saying that you cannot do it. Okay, so always believe in yourself and start writing something. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Many potential writers wait and wait for the perfect moment to start writing. They have the potential to write, but they still keep on waiting. This waiting will always keep them at the back, like backstage, and they will not be able to come in the forefront of success. Okay, it's never going to come. Believe me, this time will never going to, is never going to come. You need to get inspired. You need to be in a community where you are not getting procrastinated. You are moved up, and you are like shaken on a daily basis. You're getting challenges. You're attending sessions on a daily basis. Through that, you get more and more like your mindset is created, and you are focusing on one thing only throughout the day. When you're attending sessions, when you're in a community where only like-minded people are there, where only writers are there, and they have that goal to become a quality writer, then you can become that. Okay. Now the next point. Number 6, paying attention to your grammar. It is very important to write grammatically correct sentences that are actually meaningful. If you are not able to convert your thoughts and actions into perfectly like perfect writing, then you will not be able to connect with your audience on a personal level. See, the way I am staring in this camera in front of you, the way I am looking in your eyes, you will be looking in the eyes, in the mind of your writers through your words. Your writing should be so impactful, and it will become with our community's efforts. Okay, this is one thing that will hold the reader's attention. Okay. Now the next point. Constructing sentences properly and in a logical manner. Many people write sentences, but those are not properly written. Sometimes in a particular sentence, one phrase which is coming in a sentence, that should be like moved to the end, and something should be moved to the front, and it can actually change the impact it is going to do on your reader's mind. So all these things you will learn while you are connected with us. So you are really lucky that you have joined our community. Okay, avoid using long-winded sentences and hard to understand vocabulary. I don't, in the beginning, if you are an aspiring writer and you have joined our community already, and if you are starting to write, like Dr. Umesh Rawal is going to write now, because he has not written till now and he was busy with his clinic and hospital. So what he will do is he will write very simple sentences, and don't write too much. Don't create a 1500 word post. Just create 700-800 word post in the beginning, and that will take care of your like the word count will be less, then it will be easy for you to like pass it through the quality assessment process. Okay, you all know that we have a quality assessment process where you need to first of all write and publish and feature first 5 articles and pass the like a digital writer winners boot camp. Okay, once you pass the boot camp, you're getting a cash reward, and you are also promoted in the social media. The same thing has happened with Pratik Jain, Nitin Kher, Muli Krishna, Prantika, Abita, and many other people. So And right now Nikhil Sharma and Swati Khandelwal and Vikram Brahma, so all these guys have already done it. Now it's your time. Miss Poonam Malik, you joined late, no worries. You must have like gone through the model course videos. Please go through them quickly. And through this session, I would like to start your career as a writer. Okay. The number 8 point: spending a good amount of time writing a great title. Your title is, suppose there is a product. For product, you have a brochure. In the same way, for your article, your title is your brochure. Okay. So if your brochure is not good, if something which is coming in front of, when you're typing in the search engines, then title comes, and below that summary comes or metadata comes. So if those things are not perfect or not effective, not trendy, not like adding value, not bringing people from and pushing them to read your article, then it doesn't make sense. So you will learn all these things. No one learns from the worm. All people, like everyone who comes in this world, they learn from here, and our community will help you. Okay. The title is the first thing that a reader notices. This is why it should be catchy and attention grabbing. It should grab the attention of your reader to go ahead and then visit your article. And then in your article, there should be many things which I've already told you: how to write, like how to create your polls and then quizzes and many other things. Okay. And then that like highlighted text, which we call out. Okay. So that when your reader is coming, that reader is not quickly moving to some other article, because it's that attention span, online attention span is very less, and people move on to many other things very quickly. If they will not find your writing engaging, they will move to other things. Then you will not receive traffic. The more a reader is spending time on your articles, the more traffic you will generate, because search engines will find that spiders will know that through these algorithms, they will calculate that your readers are spending more time on your article. That means that your article is very worthy. Then they will add comments below your articles that will make your article more valuable. Then your article will be pulled up in the search engines, and then it will be pulled up. Then you will start receiving more organic traffic. This organic traffic will convert into money. Okay. So if your main goal is to convert your traffic into money, then your title is your first foundation point. Okay. The next point: always have an outline before writing. Don't just start writing something on. You can write a paragraph and leave it, but then out of that paragraph, create an outline. First of all, create a structure. The outline will give you an idea of what to write. It is like the structure of a building. So I always tell you that create in the next, after leaving this session, in the next 2 hours, create 10 articles which you want to write. Suppose Mr. Dr. Umesh Rawal is a spine surgeon, or into I think I'm right. Dr. Umesh Rawal, you're a into spine? Yeah. So he's
Yes,
a
yes.
surgeon. So
Yes, sir.
okay, good. So if he wants to write, then he can create articles like this. What is spondylolisthesis? What is spondylitis? What is cervical pain? And then introduction, then level headings, and then conclusion, all type of things. Okay. So what will happen, that you don't need to write the complete article at that time when you're creating a structure. You need to create 10 structures like this of 200 words and keep them on one side. Now, when you will start writing the next day, give your mind some rest, and then the next day, pick any one of them quickly and start writing. Then start do your research with all the keywords and everything. Then run spell check on your document. If you're writing in MS Word, then click on F7 and the spelling and grammar will be corrected. Okay. And then you can also go ahead and use grammarly.com online, and you can use that free tool. If you're writing, you can move that article on your phone. Then in your phone, you can download this application, grammarly.com, and you can run the spell check over there also. Okay. So, and also you should be very keen. If you're writing on medical topics, then you should be checking each and every medical word that you're writing. So whenever you're writing something, copy that word and put in Google search and enter, and you will see that if your word is incorrect, it will show the correct version. So grab the correct version and change it. This is the way I have been doing it, because I was into medical transcription from 2000 to 2011. At that time, when I joined the system in 2007, at that time I started writing on I have written on many medical topics. I have written on this ergonomics also, and like spine also, spine disease also, and polycystic ovaries. One of my polycystic ovaries article has got 178 this much big comments, and through that article I was able to help around 500 women in the world. Okay, so I will show you that thing also, that how it was done and how you can also do it. So if you want to help people, you should be actually start thinking about writing. Okay, help, get clients, do lead generation. Everything can be done through your this is your startup. Okay, now once the structure is ready, you have to fill it with the appropriate words. The number 10 point, the important thing is to write regularly. Don't let a day go by without you practicing your writing skills. Keep on writing something big or small. If you are not able to write something on your MS Word or on your opening your laptop, write it in your phone. Write it in WhatsApp. Send it to your partner. If you're you send it to your wife or send it to your husband, and this will actually keep a track, or you can mail yourself. Okay, so whenever some idea is coming, please write it down, because ideas will come in a fraction of a second and they will go away. So if you will not put them on the piece of paper or somewhere online, then they will go away and you will lose them. So it is very important to keep a record. If you can make a journal, or if you can make a notepad after that, and you can keep a journal for that, you can do that. Okay, the next point. Number 11, after writing, read your article at least twice. It is recommended for all the people that you should read your article at least twice before submitting it for publication, online publication in our system. Because once you have written your article, that's not enough. You will have to read it at least twice to make it better in terms of grammar, presentation, your author's tone, your consistency, and use of medical jargon. Sometimes if you're writing on medical topics, you can leave medical jargon also, and sometimes you are using slangs. Okay, many words are used by only scientists or doctors, which are not known by the general public. So if you're using those words, then also those people will not understand. The general public, the layman, will not be able to understand. And you are writing for the general public, and those people will be connecting with you, and you will be forming communities, and you will be building your own brand in this way. Okay, so if you are up to lead generation, if you want to start writing and earning, if you want to build your own brand, this writing is your basic foundation. Write online and bring your content in front of social media, in front of your Facebook friends, relatives, and on LinkedIn. Spread it on everywhere, and those people will start communicating with you. They will start connecting with you. And don't forget your mission statement, your mission, vision, purpose, and your passion statement. Okay, so let's move ahead. The next part. Number 12 is enroll yourself in a course to learn better writing. So if you're already in our courses, that's a very good thing, because over here you're getting, not only you're becoming a good writer, but you're also becoming an editor and proofreader of your articles and of other people's articles, because you're peer reviewing many times in the group, and our group is 24 hours active. And then you're becoming you're going through the mastermind sessions, and you're learning so many new things which other people will not tell you outside. Okay, because you will learn about lead generation, you will learn about traffic generation, how to write effective and trendy titles, how to build your own brand, how to become a digital coach, and how to many things I have added in the system. And you all know that whoever has joined me, they are getting everything as free value after one-time entry, a one-time payment. Okay, so tell me if I am wrong over here. Okay, the last advice I would like to give you is to enroll yourself in a writing course, which you have already done. You have to invest in yourself to become a better writer. Don't think of it as an expense, but as an investment. Now from you guys who have already joined, you need to invest your time. Please start investing your time, because the results are there. You people are becoming quality writers in front of you. People who are not writing, please start writing. It is my humble request to you guys. Okay. In the coming days and months, it will pay off, and you will learn as well as earn. You already know we have got 5 income streams over here: the surprise cash prizes, community assistance awards, writing contest. And writing contest is easy now. Previously it was 30 articles in 30 days, and only people like Murli Krishna and Nitin Kiran, all the guys who are very consistent with their writing, were only winning. But now you can also start winning. Okay. Yeah, Akash, what do you want to say?
A very good morning, sir. A very good morning to all of you.
Good
Sir,
afternoon.
the first, okay, good afternoon.
Yeah.
First, but we are meeting for the first time on the day.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, the first thing is, sir, please clear the point number 10 for once again.
Okay.
And
Okay, this one. The important thing is to write regularly, on also to promote regularly in social media.
yes, sir.
Okay, you want to focus
Like
on
it-
promoting in social media, na?
Yes, sir. I am also focusing, and I am doing the things as told, recommended by you. But I need some light on this again.
Okay.
And the sir, second thing is this. The second thing is this. There's that we have so much contest in our digital writerpreneurs hub. So I request you to put the 60 days 30 with the contest which has 60 days 30 article. Please put all the rules and regulation on the group for the same, because many of us are passing the boot camp, and maybe we all are working for the same, so that we have a clear mindset that in what way we should do our practice, or
See,
in what way.
the writing contest guidelines are very clear. In the past, there were many things which you need to do, like original photographs, original videos, and many other things which I added. But slowly and slowly, I am easing them off. And right
Yes, sir.
now, I only require one 800-word article from you per day, or
Okay, sir.
in 60 days, you need to write 30 articles, and each and every article should be 800 words. And if you're not adding photos also, then it is also fine. Okay. But if
Is
you are
there
adding
any
everything, that is good. But you cannot do it in the beginning, because in the beginning, when you are in the boot camp, in the first 5 articles, you can only add text over there, because when many people are adding photographs, then their articles are getting rejected due to the photographs they are using from other sites, copied photographs or something. Okay.
Okay.
So you know that our editorial filter is very sensitive for the
Yes,
first
sir.
5 articles, and then
Yes,
it
sir.
eases off, and then you can post your photographs, like videos, and
Okay, sir.
like polls, and many other things. See, as a general rule, I am just giving you one thing: 800-word article, 30 articles in 60 days. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Nothing else I want from you.
Sir. I have a one thing also.
Yeah.
Yesterday, Natasha did told me about the the. I will let you know, sir. I will let you know.
Natasha is there in the system. You can ask Natasha.
सर वो लास्ट में क्रिएटिंग पोल करके कुछ समथिंग बॉक्स में बन के आता है जो
Okay, I will ask Natasha. Just wait for a minute. Akash, okay?
जी
Yeah, Natasha, you are raising hand. Please speak out.
Yeah, so first I'll ask you the doubt and then I'll clear Akash's doubt. So my doubt is that many times our English, that is Indian English, differs from UK and American English. So how does that affect our quality of articles? I mean, how does Google
No.
our language? And also, like for example, let me tell you that in India, like I'm physiotherapist. So in India, we call it as physiotherapist, but many times in UK and in America, physiotherapists are not called physiotherapists, but they are rather called physical therapists or exercise therapists. So how do these languages or how do these words differ? I mean, how do they impact our...
These things regarding using American or US English. So suppose you are in this Australia, the English is different. It is not American, it is not British, it is something in between. So see, all these things matter a lot for people who want to rank their articles in specific countries. So if you're focusing on America and Canada and all the neighboring countries, then you should be writing in American English. If you want to focus on UK and India and Europe and India, then you should be focusing on British English. Okay.
Okay.
So in the same way, if your article is basically focusing on in Australia, then you should use that English, because that will be actually the search engines will there is a parameter of search engines to notice these things also. Okay,
Okay.
so it doesn't, you do not require for the writing contest. For the writing contest, you can write in whatever things you want. If you want to write in British English, but please make it consistent throughout the article. If you are using
Consistent.
comma before and, the serial comma or Oxford comma, which is called Oxford comma before and, then you use it throughout the article. Okay, so your formatting should be completely syncing throughout the article. It should not be different for different areas. I will just show you an example. Wait.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I'm opening up this article by Swati Khandelwal, which I edited in last mastermind sessions. I think it's not a very big article, it's just a few paragraphs. Yeah, this one which I wanted to say you. See, here there are 1, 2, 3, 3 items, different items. Insects have 6 legs, 4 wings, and a body. Okay. Now, over here, this serial comma, either you use this serial comma throughout the article,
Okay.
or you do not use it throughout the article. Okay. So, and then another thing, civilization. This term is in US English. Okay.
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 Yeah, Natasha, you can speak.
Yeah, I got your point. Yes.
This term is British English. So, if you are using SATION throughout the article, so you should be focusing on only SATION as per British English. If you want to focus on ZATION, then everything should be syncing with American English, like civilization, then stabilized, then tumor, where there is no U over here. Okay. So all these things are going into US English. Now, if you're focusing on this, then it will be stabilized, tumor. Okay, this is British, or you can say UK English. Okay, so this is something. Now, if we will go to Australia English. So it is similar to American English a bit. Just a minute, let me see. I may be wrong in this part because I have not done articles on like Australian English most of the time. Australian English versus American English. Okay. Australian English follows British spelling very closely. Okay, it is following, sorry, I was wrong over there. It is following British spelling very closely, but many common words are spelled differently in American English. Despite being spelled differently, the meaning of the word is the same. Okay, Australian and American English have different ways of spelling certain words, such as those ending with YSC or ISC. So, Australian English is basically a mixture of British and English and like US English. Okay. So, the most common like things which we are like following over here in India is UK English, and if we are writing articles online, then you should be following US English. So I have already given you one document for that, and I would like to like just a minute, I need to share that thing with you again. Advanced. No, I need to actually share some document with you. Whiteboard, iPhone pad, document. Okay, document. Okay, it will be shared like this. I want you to download it. Okay, I will give it to you separately also, or I can just show you over here. If I'm going to my folder. Yeah, this one. Okay, So this is American and British English. Over here you can see archaeology is ARCHEOLOGY and British is ARCHAEOLOGY. So there is a difference of A over here. After
Sir,
H.
document is not available.
Pardon?
Document is not available on the screen, sir.
Okay, document is not available on the screen. Okay, I will do it again. Now is this available?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is American. So in American you can see, you can see in American they use airplane, but
Yes, sir.
in British and in India and in British countries we use aeroplane. Right?
Aeroplane.
So this is the difference over there. Then most of the time they will use backward, toward. We use backwards and towards, right?
Yes, sir.
Then here they use among. We use amongst, right?
Yes, sir.
So from these things you can get to know that what are these things. And I will be sharing this document also because I need to share many things with you. I would like to ask Prateek Jain or some other person who is there who can guide me with this process that how to share my document, because I have not done this on Zoom till now. Previously I was doing on this whiteboard, iPhone, iPad, Apple Z style. Okay, no, I need to share it in some other way. I will first of all stop the screen share. Then I will click on share and advanced sharing options. Okay, one participant can share at a time. Only host, only for no. This is not the thing. Okay, I will do this like afterwards. I will send this to you guys through mail or something. Whoever wants it, you can send me a WhatsApp message by sharing your mail ID, and I will send it to you personally. Okay, I have separate like many documents which I wanted to share with you, but or I will just give me a minute. I will just check how it is done at Zoom. Zoom document sharing. Sharing documents in Zoom meetings. Mouse over the bottom edge of the Zoom meeting window to bring up the Zoom toolbar. The green share screen button in the middle of the Zoom toolbar allows you to share screens or specific documents or folders. So this is only sharing the. Okay. I can only share the things which are actually available on my screen and nothing else. So I will do it separately. Okay. So let's ask like what are the benefits and what are the like takeaways for you from this session. First of all, I need to I will ask Praveen. Yeah, Praveen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What did you
Um,
learn
yeah.
today?
Yes, sir. I have learned many things.
Yeah.
That what a aspiring writer must know, and that is about that consists of grammatical mistakes and capitalizing and using of active and passive voice. Whether if you are using use and means the tone must be must be
Flow.
similar, and answer like using of means uh, the audience you are targeting, you must follow that English means whether it is American or Australian or or UK. So I have learned all this, sir.
Okay. Very nice that you are actually attentive. I wanted to know this thing that whether you are attentive during the class or not. I got to know about that thing. So thank you so much. And let me ask Nikhil something, what he learned today.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah. How are you?
Sir, first, I'm very good, sir. What
Yeah.
about you, sir? So actually, sir, first of all, I like to say happy World Earth Day. Today is the Earth Day. So I want to
Awesome.
wish everyone. So, and secondly, sir, about the session, I learned many things related to writing, such as maintain a consistent flow in the article. We need to use only one English, whether it is American, British, or Australian English. But if you're writing online, it is recommended to use American English. So apart from that, we also have to take care of the tone we are using in the article, and also we have to take care of the grammatical errors, punctuation errors. So all these things we will take care in our article. Then it will make our article more useful, more high quality.
Yeah.
Yes.
So our as writers, our focus should be on creating articles that are actually adding value to the online audience. Okay, if we will be able to give value to our audience, because audience is our client. Okay, so if we are able to give them value, they will give us more traffic. Traffic means more money. Okay, so
Exactly.
let's go ahead with the next person. Miss Poonam Malik just joined yesterday night.
Right.
Poonam ji, how are you feeling after joining our viral hub group?
More active,
Okay, more active.
but not in terms of writing. More active in terms of absorbing the things, what it is actually about and all that. And I'm yet to start the model course today. Once you finish this, I'm going to log in and then talk to you how to get to it like we left last night. So that's from there we have to start today.
So are you feeling more focused now with your mission?
Yeah, but I have to start. The focus has to translate into action now, no? So I'm waiting for that part just to start the course.
Yes, very good.
Yeah.
So you can go through the model course videos first of all, and then once you complete them, I will give
Yes,
you the writing platform
I
link.
had to log in with you today. I had to log in with you today. Last night left when because my phone battery got discharged, no? So you said you'll be guiding me today how to
Yeah. Okay, I will do
log
it.
in there.
Okay, I will tell you.
Right.
Yeah, thank you so much. And I can do that for you right now also.
I have to open my laptop right now. I'm on the phone, no, sir. I'm doing it on
I'm
my
just
phone.
showing you how to do it. Okay.
Okay.
See in the screen.
Right.
I'm going to my not this one. I need to sign out from this profile and going into another profile which is connectrajinder@gmail.com. And see, yesterday when I enrolled you in my courses, a different email ID, then I received this mail. In the same way, you must have received this mail. Poonam Malik writer just joined Digital Writerpreneurs Hub. Okay. Now, after receiving this message, you need to click on more details or whatever is coming over there to create your password.
That I have done, I believe.
Okay.
Password I have created.
See, now after creating your password and logging inside, then you need to click on your, okay, wait, this is my admin's account actually.
I could not log in, I believe. I had created the password, but after that, login, I think, was not done.
So
I
you
need to do
log in.
login.
You need to actually, I will send you the link for login. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Let it open.
So does it have does your system have a system of what password? Because right now I can't recall what password I had made. But
okay, wait one minute. I will change the password for you.
no, I created a password myself, I believe. So I was just wondering if I don't remember, then do you have a forgot password option or no?
I have a forgot password option. I can give it to you right now. See, I'm just changing the password in front of you. I'm choosing one password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. So we can just do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay.
Now I remember I had saved the password in Google. I think I've saved it. So there'll be no
3 4 5 6. Only I have kept
one.
Should I leave it?
So now you're active. Yeah, leave it because I think I saved it in Google, no? So there'll be no problem.
Okay. See, whatever help you want, I can do it for you. Okay. Then I'm clicking on enrollments, and when I'm going into enrollments, then It's taking up some time.
It's a curse, right? नहीं change password तो नहीं करना. No, we're not changing the password.
Okay. Now what is happening is you have got the model course. When you will watch the videos, I will see the progress over here. Right now it's 0%. Okay. I have granted you full access to all the courses. Then you have got this setup challenge also, then mastermind session also, mastermind course also, then new writing system also, then how to become a digital coach in 60 days, Drumbeats, learn to generate traffic from social media, launch your website and get Google AdSense approval to start generating money. So these are the main core courses, 1, 2, 3, and these are the additional courses which are gift for you. And I will be adding more courses. And I have created one more course yesterday night. And whatever courses will be coming, that you will be getting free for life. Okay. So now I need to see, guys. I would like to say you one thing, that I am shooting you emails. Whoever is joined in my system, I am shooting you emails. The 409 students which are sitting on in model course, I'm just doing but emails from here. Okay. In this way, I'm sending emails to all of you. So this is I'm just doing a test mail. Please tell me whether you are receiving this mail or not. If not, please check your spam box, and in the spam box, please move it to the inbox. When you will do it, then it will not be marked as spam. Okay. Test mail from Rajinder Soni. Okay. So please go ahead and check this whether you are receiving my mails or not, because through these mails you will be getting all the information that I am, the meetings, the links for the meetings, and all the events that are happening, contests, many things I'm sharing through these mails. Okay, for all my 409 students. Okay, so let us go to yeah. Now I'm just stopping the screen share and would like to ask. Okay, Praveen is welcoming you, Poonam ma'am, to DWH community.
Thank you so much,
He's
everybody.
written something in the chat box.
Right. Write the chat box. Okay.
Yeah. So I would like to ask Mr. Bharat Sharan that how he is feeling, how he is managing his workflow now regarding the writing and everything.
It's all right, sir. The third one I try to do again, but I think the one which I did earlier, clubs activities, and this is regarding essence of field trips. I think they are finding it same, so they are just saying improve. So I'll leave it and move on to the next topic today.
Okay, good. So let me ask Dr. Umesh Rawal, who has just joined today after so many days. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I am just checking your mail, and just I received your mail.
Okay. Okay. Very
Okay,
good.
I joined because of I want to boost something. So from today, I am thinking to write some articles, some small articles. Otherwise,
Was this session like an inspirational one for you? Are you now focused in writing?
yes, definitely.
Okay. So that's my purpose, and if my purpose is getting solved, so I feel very happy that I am able to move all the people who have not started as of yet.
Because
And
what
I'm
happened?
calling them up.
Because I was inactive for some 10 days.
Yeah.
So I have not seen any video of you
Okay.
on your masterminds. And by seeing your video and you, I motivate some bit. And again, I restart my article.
Very nice, sir. So, Aruna and Risha and all are saying that they are receiving the emails, and even Mr. Gopalanand may be receiving it. So that's really good thing. So let me ask.
I have also received, sir.
You have received? Okay, Mr.
Email,
Gopalanand,
email,
thank you so much. And Mr. Mahendra Sapra, do you want to say something? You have been here for the first time. Mr. Mahendra Sapra is a friend of Mr. Gopalanand, and he is from Australia, although I think he is an Indian.
Yeah.
NRI.
Yeah. I migrated here
Okay.
sometime 95.
Okay.
I'm in profession,
Mhm.
and I was thinking for some time that I should start writing some stuff in engineering. So it was very nice of Gopal that he mentioned to me that some this Zoom meeting is going on, and I did not want to miss it, you know. So I jumped in today, and as I mentioned, I would like to write something on engineering, you know,
Very nice.
not on, yeah. So that way, I think as we go ahead, I think it will be quite useful to me.
Quite useful, sir. Quite useful. And I will be guiding you with all the process, whatever things need to be done to join us if you want. And this is basically a group where all the writers are coming from. Basically, all are from India, and even if they are in Singapore, in abroad, they are Indian writers.
Good, very good, very good.
Because,
I think we write quite good English, you know.
Yes.
Which
yes.
I think everybody can
I'm on a
understand.
mission to connect with 2 lakh writers, Indian writers, and help them achieve, help them make a quality writer, and then also help them with multiple streams of income.
Yeah.
Through blogging, through content writing, through cash prizes, through writing contests, through many other things. And I'm doing those things on a daily basis. And many people are graduating and becoming quality writers now.
I still remember the engineering books or science books I read, you know, during my career.
Okay.
I mean, P.L. Soni by Thareja. I loved those books, you know.
Okay.
So I think this will help me. Thank you very much.
B.L. Thareja has written the book on electrical engineering.
Yes.
And during the examination, he used to come at the end of examination in front of the hall and explain the complete paper.
Yeah.
So we have got many senior citizens also in our group.
He is from Punjabi Bagh.
Okay, very nice. So we have got many senior citizens also in our group, and that's a really good thing that when we are sitting with people who are have got so much experience of life and so much experience in terms of knowledge also, and they are blessing us, and when they are sitting with in our family. So you all know that we have a family, small family, as called as Digital Writerpreneurs Hub, and this is basically a contribution of all you guys, and credit goes to all you people that this system is booming and blooming, and it will be we will be going far ahead, and I'll be taking many more steps for the upliftment of our community. Okay, and
very nice.
I am getting really good support from you guys also, Mr. Bharat Sharan, Mr. Gopal Anand, Poonam ji, Akash, Nikhil, Praveen, Aruna, Resha, and Shubhra. All are basically putting a lot of effort. Prateek Jain is helping new writers. Nikhil Sharma is helping, and Murli Krishna, Nitin Kher. All these guys are really helpful. Prantika Samanta. So, and we have also got Poonam ji now, who is actually a very good editor, and she's very know all the things about grammar and everything, very clear, and got very good clarity in that. Then the spoken English enhancement, many people are there who are like-minded and who are actually value additions. So digital writerpreneurs are heroes, okay, and will be becoming much better and better in the future. Okay, so with this nice feeling today, I would like to take permission to close the session for all the guys who are already joined the system. And if there are people, suppose if Mr. Mahendra Sapra wants to engage with me in this meeting more and want to learn about our system more, then I will be sharing something with him. And other guys have can leave the meeting if they want. If they want to remain, that is also fine. Okay. So I'm just sharing something which I wanted to share very quickly over here. Gaurav Singh has also joined now. I'm just starting to share the screen, which I wanted to show to every new person who is going to join our community, because clarifying all the things in the beginning is very good strategy, and it is a good to showcase everything which is transparent. Okay. So this is our channel. It is called Digital Writerpreneurs Hub and Academy. And if you write in Google, you will be able to land at this point. And over here, I will just share the link in the chat box. You can also visit this page, and there is one video, although there are many videos that I have loaded over there. See, benefits of mission, vision and purpose, and website creation. These things are basically brochures of the main courses, and this is the main video which I wanted you to each and every new member to watch before joining us. And many people have already seen this. Risha Khan and Dr. Umesh Dawal, Poonam ji, all have seen this thing. But I want you guys also who are coming like just new over here to watch this a bit. Okay. Good afternoon and welcome to Digital Entrepreneurs Women's Day special webinar. And I am your host. My name is Rajinder Soni. I think the audio quality and the video quality all are good today, and everything is fine at my end. Please check your connections. If you are having any issues, please let me know. So, and please answer this question, this poll, which I've already shared over here. Now 5 attendees have joined right now. Mr. Bharat Nayak, Mr. Bharat Sharan, and Mr. Ashish Jain has also joined. And Bhavika, Nitin Kher, Priyanka Badera. Hi all. Hi Mr. Bharat. How are you? So it's really cool to see you all guys over here. Thank you so much for joining to make your online journey a success. And so I'm just going to start with this. And also we will all be together, and with all the new people who have joined us today, I will be demonstrating in front of them that what our platform is all about, and I will share about the new income opportunities that I have been adding into the system. So this is going to be a really cool session for all of us who are inside, the 90 writers who are inside, and writers who are outside in our outer circle, and on a WhatsApp group, and email campaigns from Facebook, LinkedIn, who all are joining us. So this is like beneficial for all of you. Okay, thank you so much. Now I'm just going to start my share my screen with you. And before that, for all the new guys, my name is Rajinder Soni, and I'm a writer and editor turned digital entrepreneur, and I've been writing articles online since last 12 years. I started writing searching for various ways to generate money in 2005, but I created my own website and then failed. And then I created my own blogs and something, but failed because the money was somewhere else. There were many strategies that I wanted to I need to learn. There were many things like about keywords, about article titles, about how to make effective article titles, how to add content, and it's completely different scenario which I didn't know anything about. I was just like you. I didn't know anything about content writing, although I was into editorial. I was a quality analyst and I was training editors, but I was not sure anything about writing. So then that passion, that bug in my mind has given birth to this system on which now 90 writers are connected and are actually going to make their life and their fortune online with me. And this system is on. There's no course duration. There is no system it is on for the next 15 years. Okay, it's a lifetime access. So it's just a connection with me, because I am on a mission to help 2 lakh writers generate multiple streams of income, and I am creating various opportunities. And also I have paid many cash prizes in the writing contest. I have paid up to maximum 7,000 rupees, then 5,000 rupees, then 2,500, and small cash prizes I pay on routine basis. And now I have started paying to all the people who have become the quality writer after taking the training from me. I have started paying them sometimes based on the word count that they're sending to me. So it's all about, first of all, joining the system, writing your articles, becoming a quality writer, learning all the trade about online writing, then how to generate money, how to basically promote in the social media, all these things. So please be connected with me, and I'm just going to share with you what all I have in store for you. Thank you so much. This will also be a what I can say, that a different thing for a different slide today, and it will be like really useful for all you guys. Please be connected. I am always helping you guys. I try to help you with whatever opportunities are coming to me. Sometimes like people are coming to me and they're saying the clients are coming to me and they're giving me some work. Then I also distribute this thing with you. I call everybody, each and every person. I follow up with them, and basically I go ahead and make sure that each one of you are progressing in this system, and you are going to generate money soon. If some people have started generating because they are performing and they've done it, people who are like who have started like publishing their articles. Guys, there is one good news which I wanted to share with you. Nikhil Joshi, who was an old member, he has joined us back again, and he has finally passed his DW bootcamp, and I will be giving the cash prize to him now. Okay, so you can watch this video with me. For the first 5 articles, I have given them prizes. Then for the 20 articles, I am giving them prizes. Then once you're coming into the 30 articles, then you will be getting prizes. And now more and more opportunities I am adding to the system. I have created my own website also, because I know that how to generate money now. After writing articles, after writing 1,000 articles online on a revenue sharing model, and then training many people, now I know that how to shoot my website up in the search engines and generate a lot of money and distribute with all of you guys. Okay, so now this is a completely practical system. This is not a system which was when I started in September 2019 when Murali Krishna joined me. Now the system is more robust, more powerful, and more like earning oriented, learning and earning oriented. You will be learning all the trade, and you will be going through all the stages of a writer, becoming a writer, good writer, and then you'll be generating money. And if you are recommending digital entrepreneurs outside, then also I'm giving you cash prizes. If you are making this helping other people also connect with this system, because this is not a regular system which you find outside, where mentors are just minting money and not giving anything to their connections. So it was always in my heart that I wanted to do something for my inner circle. And whenever some people ask me that, now what is your plan? My next plan is always, I want to do something for my inner circle. For the members who have put their valuable trust on me, those will be the shareholders. People who are joining me and who are becoming my members for life, those people will be becoming my extended family. And I'm making sure that their houses, their finances are getting fulfilled, and they are not having, if they are performing. People who will perform, they will definitely get results. This is not a platform where you will not see the result. This is the platform where you will see not only results, you will get money, fame, and you will get exposure in the social media, and you will get appreciation from other people. And then finally, you will get more and more work from your clients also. Because I'm making sure that the way I'm doing this thing, no one else is doing. All are promoting themselves, spending money on their personal development. Mentors are spending more than 60 lakh, 70 lakh rupees on their personal development. But I am spending money on you guys, to make you more powerful, to make you more knowledgeable, to make you aware about the situation, to make you aware about different things, so that you don't fall prey to various false things which are happening outside. So now this is completely powerful, and I hope that we will be getting a really good results. So now let's see that who all have joined. Nikhil is also there. Happy Women's Day to all the powerful ladies and women here. Yeah, today is Women's Day, International Women's Day, and I'm making sure that it is actually good for all the digital entrepreneurs who are connected from different states of India in this system. Thank you so much. And Mr. Alak Taiwade is also there. Hi Alak, hi Pooja. Thank you so much for your comments. Please keep on commenting, because this is going to actually add value in the interaction, and I want to make sure that you all are getting valuable information. So I would like to take your permission now, and I want to start my slideshow in which I will tell you that what all things are necessary to shoot for the stars, to become a good content writer, quality content writer also, and to become a blogger who generates money from his own writing system. Okay, no one is going to tell you on the face. I'm telling you this thing. I have learned practically myself through all my hard work. After failing many times, your mentor has failed many times, then you have actually did the work. You have actually attempted. You have actually, whenever you have not attempted so many times that I have failed. So this is the thing. When you fail, you get more ideas. You get more ideas. You make better business models. You make better things. Okay. So now, yeah, Mr. Bharat Nayak is also there, and Mr. Bharat Nayak is completely into learning, and I love these type of people who are really learning valuable things and getting a job in the system. My pleasure to join this special episode webinar in honor of all lovely women present here. Thank you so much, Mr. Bharat Nayak. I have given Mr. Bharat Nayak a special invitation today, and special invitation for all the ladies also out here, Bhavika, Pooja Rani, and all the people, and all the men also who are actually taking care of the ladies. So now, let's go ahead and start the site. And just a minute, I'm just opening up my sharing options. Sharing my screen, and this is I'm sharing my entire screen. Please let me know whether you are able to see my screen now. Open one more thing with you guys, which is rajendrasoni.com. This is my website. I'm just sharing the link of this website over here, and you can read my mission over here. My mission is to connect with 2 lakh writers in India and help them reach multiple streams of income. I started with Murli Krishna 5 months ago, and now I am already connected with and adding value to 90, not 84. I need to update this thing. 90 writers. Maybe it will take me 5 to 10 years to reach my goal, but I won't stop. There is a famous shloka in Sanskrit from Devi Kavacham. Yam yam chintayate kamam tam tam prapnoti nishchitam. A man becomes what he thinks all day long. The same has been mentioned in all the holy books, Bible, Bhagavad Gita, Quran, Guru Granth Sahib, and the same has been actually true. And I am standing as a real example in front of you. If you think you want to become a quality, productive online writer, you will actually become that. You just need to focus. You just need to wish for the thing as if it is already real, and keep focusing on your worthwhile goal. Your intention should be just like a warrior, soldier, focused, aggressive, consistent, determined, marked by true love for your mission. Remember the way you love your parents, kids, or beloved. If you are determined and you have tears flowing through your eyes, one of your eyes, you can relate to what I am trying to say you. And if you want to go ahead and get started today, you click on this link or learn more. And all these articles I have been writing, and these articles are written by Nitin, who is getting paid at 50 paise per word by me. I will just show you one article written by Nitin. This is one article, tips to write a great article, written on 6th of March by Nitin. And stay motivated while writing. First of all, you need to decide on the topic. Nitin is very right. He is saying that before you start writing, you must be clear about the topic on which you want to write. You can research the demand for a topic on Google search or Google Trends. Now I will show you how to search it. I will open up Google Trends. And here you can find all the trending items, trending niches, or the things which are happening around the world, which are getting popular, which are getting viral. International Women's Day is today's trending word of the day. You can see over here. Then the coronavirus is on the number 1. Then second number is International Women's Day. And these are the recently trending topics. For more trending stories, you can enter your topic over here, okay, and you can search them. Now comes the next part. First of all, I would like to tell you, Digital Entrepreneurs Hub celebrate Nitin Kher's 30 articles in 30 days achievement. Nitin has written more than 60 articles now, and he's writing throughout the day. Whenever I call him up, he's not coming in the Telegram group nowadays. He's coming for like I think half an hour or something, but most of the time he's writing because he knows that the money lies in the secret system that he has learned all about, and he is actually making money every day now. The way Nitin has been writing and adding value is highly appreciated, and DW Hub will keep on rewarding all the DW writers with name, fame, and money. Rajinder Soni, CEO, Digital Entrepreneurs Hub. I've made this public on my website. It's on rajindersoni.com. You can go to this article. I'm sharing in the chat box right now.
हेलो सर, मैं आपका YouTube से आपका ये वीडियो देख सकता हूँ तो?
हाँ, ये वीडियो you can watch this video in YouTube also. So I'm just briefing it up. Like this video is very like important for you guys, and if you can like watch it over there, that will be really good because it will save time for other people also. Okay. So I'm just
मैंने आपका वीडियो YouTube पे देख लिया, अभी मिल गया, मैंने सब्सक्राइब करके वॉच लेटर पे रख दिया। मैं अभी थोड़ा सा टाइम नहीं है, मैं बाद में आपको YouTube से देख लूंगा ये वीडियो आपका।
Okay, Mr. Piyush Ghosh. Okay, thank you so much. So other people, if they want to watch it, they can go ahead and click. I'm just sharing the link in the chat box. And one more thing which I wanted to share with you, those people who have missed yesterday's session.
Yes.
Many people have missed yesterday's session, and I would like to share few things with you. You can click on this channel also, okay? The channel that I've shared the link over there in the chat box. Okay, through this channel you can find this video. And one more thing which I wanted to share with you is that yesterday's session was on, it was basically hi guys, and I will tell you first of all how to my PAN number is already added in one account. No, so this is regarding affiliate marketing. No. This is regarding branded website creation. Okay, I will share that. See, actually, that link is not so many videos are not. I'm not sharing all the videos in the YouTube channel because I am sharing the important videos in my courses. Okay.
Okay,
so
thank
you. Go ahead and watch that video, and I'm just stopping the screen share. And if you have any like questions now, you can ask from me. Otherwise, we will just close this session, and we will get back to you guys today evening at 6:30 p.m. with the website session.
Yes, the time of 6:30 p.m. the time is so good for all peoples.
Okay, yeah, 6:30 p.m. is good for all people. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay, thank you so much for coming. And
thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Nice to see you guys. Okay, bye. Take care. Have a nice day. Okay, thank you. Bye.